Well, it's awesome TS diving. I'm at the boat Holidays. It's October 18th, 2043. Sure, after video. The paint seems to be holding up, doing its job, but you have literally just millions of blisters. A lot of blisters all over the paint. Like I said, it seems to be doing its job. I'm not a paint expert, but the barnacles seem to fall off fairly easily. Just billions and billions of blisters all over the paint. Alright, let's go have a look at her. Always good, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing TS Diving.